Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Um, Today's video is a new experiment, a new combination I am trying. You'll see it's been pretty exciting. I've been awake for so many nights trying to plan it. It was technically very challenging, and I'll talk my way through the challenging parts, give tips based on what I went through, so that if any of you sitting out there want to give it a shot, I'll hopefully give you a running start on lessons learned from my end. The overall painting turned out good. I still feel there's something missing in it. I'm going to just stare at it probably for the next few days and see if what it is that I want to do to finish it up. And I'll be sure to circle back and show you the finished piece if I do change it in any way. But for now, I think this product is good. The techniques used in here are fabulous, very exciting, some things that I definitely want to take going forward, incorporate into my art. But for now, I will let you decide for yourselves how you feel about the following video. Hopefully you will like, subscribe, and comment to give me ideas on what the missing piece is. Otherwise, I guess I'll have to dream it up myself. Happy watching! Alright, so I am going to do the stacking, flip cup stacking in 2 large mugs. I think this should be enough, but I'm going to do a third one just to be safe. And the colors I'm using are dark. These 3 will be the main colors, and then these are going to be wisps of this is what I want, but these are the main. Like, I just want a very dark undertone. So I'm going to start layering the flip cups. Alright, so there's my dried painting, and here's a paint can with red in it. I've suspended it from the ceiling, and basically I'm going to take this and just go this way, right? And then see what happens. Alright, so technically this setup was not as easy as I thought it would be. I had to attach an eye hook on a stud in the ceiling. The stud was critical for a good grip because I had several trial runs where the cup just fell off. And then I had to use this paint can and weight it down so that as the paint drained from it, it would not start swinging a little bit. So I've attached duct tape, some weights to it. What was the other big challenge that I learned through trial and error? The consistency of the paint was a big one. If the paint is too thick, it drops in blotches, and you can see that even now there are pieces where it comes out in blotches. And the final thing was the height. I had to put the canvas I learned to put the canvas really close to the paint can so that the stream of paint that comes out is consistent. So these are the key lessons learned. I'm obviously not a pro at it. You can still see I have a little bit more to learn and experiment with. But for now, these are tips and tricks that I would love to share with you guys.